Hi guys, today we will be reviewing my lip products. First up is the Bioma Lip Oil Tint. I like the packaging. It's a bit hard to open, maybe it's BCM not strong lol. Once you open it, the applicator is a pretty pink color. Overall, it's really nice 9/10. And it's a reasonable price at about $10 USD. Next is the Summer Fridays. I have the shade in vanilla, but they are the same just with different scents and colors. The applicator inside is clear, and it's easy to open. It also lasts a lot. I had it since September 2024, and it's March 2025. 10/10, but pricey at $19 USD. Next is the Drunk Elephant Lip Balm. The packaging is small and cute, which makes it easy to store in small purses or backpacks. It's one of the twisty applicators. When you twist it, the applicator adds more product. 8/10, $19 USD. Part 2.